I'm going to build a house out of straw.
I'm going to build a house out of stick.
I'm going to build my house out of bricks.
I am going to the first pig's house. Little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin.
Then I will blow your house down. He puffed and he puffed and blew the house down. I went to the second pig's house. Little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Then I will blow your house down. I will go to the third pig's house. Little pig, let me in.
No!
The wolf tried and tried, but did not move. He climbed up the chimney. I'm coming down. Ow, ow, ow.
The third pig had a big meal.
Finished.